Take a cold shower every day? Yes, it can improve your health, and I want to show you how you can do it easily. I'm Dr. David, orthopedic surgeon and sports medicine specialist. I help athletes and active people feel and perform their best regardless of injuries and age. All right, we've talked about cold exposure and the potential health benefits a number of times. We've talked about whole body cryotherapy after workouts and how that might help with recovery from workouts and help with muscle recovery. But there's a lot of benefits to cold exposure we've talked about as well. Things like better circulation and heart health, better metabolism and fat loss, immune function and lower bouts of depression, and increased alertness and just overall feeling better. One of the easiest ways to do that, and you may have heard people talk about doing this every day, is taking a cold shower every day. Now, I know we love our warm showers and we stay in for 10 or 15 minutes sometimes. It feels great. But you can actually get to where you enjoy cold showers just as much. Now, there's a lot of different ways to do this. You could basically just turn the water to cold from the very beginning and get started. If you've never done it before, I'll tell you that's probably not the most fun way to do it. So there's two ways that I would suggest if you want to start giving this a try. The first thing I would suggest would be to basically turn the water on to warm as you normally do and start taking your shower. You might start washing your hair, you might start washing your body, washing your face, do all of the things involved with a normal shower. Then you're going to turn the water to cold. But before you turn the water to cold, try this. What I would suggest at this point is you've done all your cleaning and everything you're going to do, then take a few seconds, maybe 15 seconds, maybe 30 seconds, and start breathing slowly and deeply getting your breathing regular. If you follow the Wim Hof method, the Iceman, and he talks about cold showers as one of the ways to get started with regular cold exposure, he talks about a breathing pattern that you do. Now, his involves a lot of hyperventilation, which I think might be a little much, but I just think some slow, deep breathing to kind of get the air moving through your lungs, to open up the blood vessels in your body before you turn it to cold can be a good way to get started. So again, maybe 15, 30 seconds. Then set a timer for 1 minute. That's all we're gonna do is 1 minute of the cold shower. Hey Siri, set a timer for 1 minute.
Starting now.
So we turn the water to cold, and now you again continue that as best you can, slow, deep breathing. Now that cold water is all of a sudden a shock to the system, so it may increase your breathing at first, but work to get it slow again, so that almost pain that you have from the cold exposure, you gradually get used to it. And then you basically go for a minute, and then I would argue then just turn off the water and get out of the shower. Hey Siri, stop the timer. If you say, all right, I'm gonna turn the water back to cold for a second, maybe you do that at first, but try to get to where you're just doing the cold water and then you get out of the shower. Now, I will tell you, expect taking a cold shower, even if it's just a minute at the end, to really wake you up. I would argue that it's better than coffee in that respect, especially first thing in the morning. Okay, there's another way you can do it, and I think this works. This is what I do. Once you've started getting used to the cold shower, maybe you do a minute, like I just described at the end of your shower, then you increase it a minute and a half, 2 minutes, things like that. Then I would reverse it and basically get to where the majority of your shower is cold. So again, we're gonna turn on the water to warm water just for a few seconds to kind of get us used to the warm water, get it all over our body, and then turn it to cold. you're doing your slow, deep breathing, and this is when now you wash your hair, wash your face, wash your body. And again, however long that takes you to go through your normal cleaning, your hygiene, so to speak, then the rest of that is cold. When you get through all that, you turn off the water and get out. Again, I think it's terrific as a way to wake up. I think it does really well. But I tell you, if you do this every day, it's hard to know, without tests of white blood cells and things like that, is it really increasing my immune function? And I can't tell you for sure personally that I've seen a huge fat loss, because I eat healthy and do a number of other things. So it may not just be the cold showers. But I will tell you that in the morning, I do feel more alert, more enthusiastic, more energetic than I was with my regular warm showers. Try it out and see how it goes for you. If you have cold shower experience or something you want to try, leave your experience below. Let us know how you think that's going for you and potential benefits or drawbacks. And I look forward to seeing you in our next Better Than Ever video. I'm Dr. David Geyer, and I'll see you next time.